So why is the stock market going up today? This is a question that a lot of people have. You should be asking this question because it's out of nowhere that we're gapping up 10% on TQQQ. Is this good news? Is this bad news? Is the market going to continue to rally? So I just want you guys to understand the why, right? So here's the update for you. Jerome Powell, which is the chairman of the Federal Reserve, not only announced his second term, but on top of that also announced that even though the CPI report determined that inflation is not pulling back or retracing as quickly as they anticipated, they do not intend to take a more aggressive approach than what they are already doing, right? They anticipate for their next two Fed meetings to increase interest rates 0.5%. And that's something that they've announced before. It's already factored into the market. The concern was that because it wasn't pulling back or inflation was not correcting itself as quickly as anticipated, they thought that the Feds might take a more aggressive approach, maybe 3/4 of an increase when it comes down to the interest rate. But they confirmed as of now that they are not considering, it's not that it's impossible, but as of now, they are not considering anything more than 0.5% of an increase for an interest rate hike for their next two Fed meetings, which is good news, right? It's not that things are necessarily getting better, it's that things just aren't getting worse. And again, we've talked about this many times if you've watched my channel, that gets factored into the market by things not getting worse. That's sometimes a positive notion for the market. And as you guys can see today, 10% on the day, I'm up $37,000. I have a large position, so it doesn't really matter. I'm not going to close my entire position. This is a swing trade for TQQQ. I'm going to close my position and leave myself with 8,000 shares by the end of the day. I'm going to most likely lock in profits at around $32 a share, and then leave the rest kind of just so it could run, right? I see a lot of upside potential. We calculated that in yesterday's video where I determined my overall upside potential, the risk to reward ratio. And friendly reminder, this calculator is actually available for free in our Discord chat. So if you guys want access to not only our free Discord, but also want access to this risk to reward calculator, you just input, let's say that your average purchase price is $45. We could input, let's see, your overall exit, and then where you cut losses, it's going to be $40, right? So then it says your risk to reward ratio is 7, right? So 7 upside, 1% downside. That's a pretty good risk to reward ratio. So again, if you guys want access to that, that's going to be the first link in the description. So I'm getting ready to reduce my position size. Market closes in about 45 minutes. If you guys have any questions that you guys want to ask me, you guys could either comment down below or send me a message via Discord. Friendly reminder, I do trade with our Learn Plan Profit group every morning at market open. Today, unfortunately, I did miss the live trading session. I had some issues with my newborn and just kept me up a little bit later and just throughout the entire night. So getting used to this new dad life, but again, I'm trying my best to show up every single day. And again, it's every single day at market open. I go live. So if you want the ability to be able to watch me trade live, again, that's going to be that second link down below. Learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group and see what it's like to be a part of our team and to see if it's of value for you. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope and wish you guys an amazing Friday, a blessed weekend. Hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.